Hi, my name is Zach, and in this screencast, I will justify the design choices that I made in creating the infographic that you see here. In order to keep things simple, I focused on municipal solid waste in the United States in 2012 and 2014. To accomplish this, I used Microsoft PowerPoint to create a 10 by 26 slide on which to host my graphic. So first of all, I chose to use bar graphs and pie charts to display my statistical data. I used monochromatic color schemes on the bar charts, and on the pie charts I used colors that are associated with the data that is represented in those pie charts. So for example, to represent metals I used the color gray, to represent organics I used the color green, and to represent cardboard I used brown, and so on. Principles of proximity were used to keep identical items together. For example, these pie charts, these recyclable icons, and these bar graphs. I also use visual hierarchy to provide logical progression of the material through the graphic. In conjunction with principles of alignment, the layout includes vertical orientation of material as well as horizontal orientation to enable the reader to compare data across or side by side as they scroll down. So for example, the infographic progresses by starting out describing what MSW is and then displaying for each year how much was produced, comparing those side by side, and then for each year how much MSW was recycled, comparing those side by side. This enables the reader to scroll down through the material but also compare the data side by side as they scroll down. Focal points include the pie charts, this large recycling symbol, these bar graphs, and these pie charts. Also, these two icons up here that are related with the title. Subfocal points include the text and some of these smaller icons. And then finally, the most important element of an infographic is color. I used blue, green, and yellow as my main colors because they represent the earth, and most people associate these colors with sustainability, recycling, and nature. I used white for the text and also for some of the icons to highlight their presence. One other note is that I use the principle of closure and figure to ground by using some of these icons that are not completely closed, like this one here and some of these down here. Thanks for watching.